Life after graduation taught me one thing: success is built, not given. I am sharing my journey with you so you can grow faster than I did. After graduation, I thought life would be smooth: job, success, stability, but reality hit me hard. No job, no directions. That's when I decided to turn my skills into something big: YouTube. At first, I upload videos with all my editing skills, but the truth, almost no one watched. I was ready to give up, but then I realized YouTube is not about uploading videos, it's about telling stories people connect with. I started learning how to mix technology, AI tools, and editing instead of random videos. I created content with purpose. My edits becomes hooks. My stories kept people watching, and slowly views turned into subscribers. Here's what I learned and what you can use today. Hook your audience in 10 seconds. Use editing tricks like zoom in, captions, and sound effects. Use AI tools and to get fresh ideas and titles that actually ranks. Tell your own stories. Audience don't just want facts. They want journey. Keep retention high with fast cuts, memes, and energy drops. Life after graduation taught me one thing: success is built, not given. I am sharing my journey with you so you can grow faster than I did. Subscribe now because the next video might be the one that inspire your story too.